Oh.
Anybody home?
Oh. It's like 1 inch thick.
Alex, what do we got going on here?
Big things happening. We got a water jet, and now we have a VF4.
VF4? It's still just a little guy, but we're excited. It's gonna bump us up a little bit.
Welcome back. I'm sad. I'm really sad too.
Why?
So my little cousin has this little razor scooter.
Okay.
And I'm gonna get that. And I'm gonna bring it to the shop. We're
Okay.
gonna have some fun with that.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
That makes you sad?
It makes me text, I forgot it today.
Oh, you forgot it.
I was gonna
Okay.
bring it today and I forgot.
You
I even
forgot.
asked her if I could borrow it. She's like, yeah, go ahead.
Is that so you don't walk anymore?
Yes, I don't have to walk so I can get tattered.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And then we'll take that guy's suggestion. We'll put a 6-pack rack on it.
Yep.
A beer holder.
Yes. Okay, perfect. So this is like the largest forklift I've ever seen in my life. I think you said it lifts 50. 30 or 50 you said.
Oh. Dude, look at that tires on that.
Dude, that's a forklift. Holy shit. Will this lift like 50? 30? Damn. You don't see that in Plattsburgh. So the weirdest thing, Alex, this showed up and then the Vices came too.
Yeah.
And a different shipping company at the same time.
Yeah.
So we got Vices. We got the Kurt Vices that say HAAS on them.
It's a big unit.
It's a man's forklift right there. That is a very large forklift. I don't know why I'm so excited. I think I'm more excited about the forklift than the mill right now. What is going on with this building? We're getting new AC units and shit. And I was wondering how they got those up there yesterday.
You know that's how they did it?
Huh?
You didn't know that's how they did it?
No, I did not know.
Use a crane.
Well, I pulled in, I was like, there's no way these guys are going up the fucking ladder with that thing. Another toy.
See the unit they brought for this?
We're out of room now. Yeah, we're out of room now.
You guys unzipping the machine?
You want to say that?
No, I just never saw one. Never saw one with a zipper. It's new for me.
Yeah, I've never seen one without one of those tray charts.
Right? It's like our third one now, but it seems to be different every time.
Yeah.
Got that.
There she is.
Like unzipping a space machine.
Always cool looking at them, man, when they're brand new.
That is a unit.
It's gonna untie real quick. Alright, you should be able to pull it your way now. Damn, look at that tool changer.
Big old tool changer on it.
Dude, tool changer is huge on this thing, dude.
Yeah. Went with the multi-auger this time, no more scoop and chips by hand. Well, we had an auger on all the other machines, but this has literally like augers running every direction.
Oh. I don't even look down, I just looked inside.
And if you look
Oh,
at it,
no more scoop and chips.
1, 2, 3, 4 augers going that way, and then a conveyor going across the front there.
No more scoop and chips by hand.
We can, well, yeah, it's just the fact they get stuck in there when you're piling
Yeah.
on material. The way around it. Yeah, she's a beaut. Fucking run and swing right now. This guy is a clown. He shouldn't have parked here. Run and swing. Mick, come on, run and swing.
Dude, the guy's right there. He's gonna be so.
Just fucking send it. Run and swing. Just do it.
I don't have enough balls.
I still think you should have swung on it.
That man said 10 minutes, 15 minutes ago.
Yeah, he's holding us up now. That's what happens. I'm gonna bet that guy doesn't watch our YouTube channel, because he would have got out of the way.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Our next building, how big make the door, right?
Bigger than this shit?
Bigger than this thing.
We had a 14-footer at our old building, so you could have put it in the normal way. The next building's gonna have a 14-foot door. Oh, the whole machine, you mean?
Yeah, maybe put the whole machine.
Yeah.
Make it taller.
14 by probably 12.
You got plenty of room over here.
Head's going. Wow.
That's why he's certified.
Yeah, he knew what's
That's
up.
why he's certified.
I don't know about that crane operator though.
That was a clown.
Swinging shit over our machine. Said he'd have it done in 10 minutes, held us up.
Took him 20.
Lost all our AC because of him.
All right, I called him a clown.
You did call him a clown. He's a nice man. We'll insert that picture of the clown. Right? The one you sent?
I took a little video too.
Oh, you took a video of him with a clown face? Oh, God.
This thing's inside.
See if we can see it out here, right?
Yeah. Little shade. You guys see that?
There he is, Captain Clown.
Captain Clown.
Another one to add to the collection.
Hello?
Anybody home?
Hello? It's like 1 inch thick.
No time to wait for Tex. Got Tex for her right here.
We got it.
We got her. We got her. We'll be running this thing today.